because wameniona. But the next Uber you will use, the next petrol station you can get, the next person you meet in town, ask a simple question. Who is going to be the next governor of Nairobi? Just ask that plain. Out of 10, if 7 don't tell you, Baba, block my number, delete. See, that is something you can do on your own. Then after that, you see vibaya. So, when it comes to everything, when you look at an aspirant, because you have to know the strength of your opponent. When I look at my opponents in the city, not even 1/8 of a quarter of what country, I can tell you, not 1/8 of a quarter. They can, not 1/8 of a quarter. They can boast of, we have this, we've stolen that, we've made this. Hakuna takataka. I'm telling you, humbly. So, hii city ya Nairobi imeenda. Let's plan for 2032. And by God's grace, mimi naye nataka niwe one town. Because vitu ziko empty, nitabaki na wakina Sudi. So, what I'm trying to tell you is that these things are possible. These things are possible. 2027, kila mtu ashikilie mahali. And not all of us will go for elective seats. There are those that will have to